Hello, welcome to Classic Hairstyle and Vlog, and I'm your host Classic. So what I do here in this video, guys, I will show you how you can add extension into your natural hair. So first you need your detangle brush, you need your rat tail comb, and you need your gator clips, okay? And what I'm going to show you today, guys, is how to make the loop braid method. I'm going to show you the first one, and then I'm going to show you the second one. Okay, it's the same, it look like the same, but it's different method. Okay, so sit back and relax and watch me. Okay, so first you're gonna make sure that you brush the hair out. Okay, like I said, even if you just take it out of the back, you need to brush the hair before you get started. Once you need a slick and a nice braid looking like a zipper, make sure you brush it out. Okay, so let's brush it out. Okay, so it's brushed out. So now what we need, guys, I'm gonna take out my medium, and guys, your medium can be smaller. Okay, it can be smaller. It depends upon the size that you guys want. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, we don't need to do the ratio 2 to 1 for this, but we just need section out a little like this, a little part. So this is what we're gonna form our loop with. But first we're gonna put this to sit and make sure it's in the same length. Smoothen it out, make sure it's in the same length like this. Hold on to it to the middle here, and then it's already parted out, guys. It's already parted out. So what I'm gonna do, guys, always make sure that you comb the hair out though, and then you split it. No, you're not gonna split it into two. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, my besties. So hold on to it, guys, and place it like this. So now what you want now, you want your clip. Hold on to it because you got to remember that it's beginner's friendly, okay? And then you're going to grab onto your natural hair. Place it like this. Okay, make sure it's in the line. And then you're going to grab the one that I put aside to set. Grab on it like this, and then you form a loop. Look at the loop, make sure your loop is big. Go ahead and place it under. Grab on your thumb and your index finger. And guys, you're forming a knot, okay? You're forming a knot, you pull it over. And then to make sure that it's all the way to the root, you're gonna make sure you pull on it, guys. Remember, it's a knot, so it's gonna be looking like this. Okay, so grab on, sit behind there. Then you're gonna move away the clip, move the clip away. Okay, then you're gonna bring it under, secure it with your little pinky finger. Okay, I'm gonna pull again because I want to make sure it's all the way to the root. And then take the left strand over to the right and the right strand over to the left, and then you started to braid. You started to braid and braid. So now I want my braid to be even, so I make sure I take a little from the right. You want your braid to be even, and you continue to braid. And guys, make sure you look for your natural hair Make sure you hide. And you continue to braid. Because guys, you want your braid to be looking like a zipper so that your braid can last longer. Okay? Once your braid is looking like a zipper, your braid can last out as long as you want it to last. Okay? Let's continue to braid. So guys, that is called the loop method. And you continue to braid and braid and braid and braid. So this is called the loop method. Okay guys? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do another loop method. So let us separate our hair. And remember, I'm using the medium size, guys. Make sure it's in the same length. Oh, let me take out a little bit more. Okay. So let me make sure that it's in the same length. Here it is. Okay, so what you're gonna do, hold on using your thumb and your index finger. Go ahead and place it right here. And then we're gonna get our gator clip. Hold on, because remember guys, it's beginner friendly, okay? So as a beginner, you don't want to rush it, you want to take your time. Okay, so grab onto your natural hair like this. Make sure you place it right there to the root. You want to make sure it's to the root, guys. Just hold on your natural hair a little. Take your time. And then this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take a little from the side, from the right. So if you're a left-handed person, you take this strand and you can start it wrapping from the to the left. And I'm a right-handed person, so now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start it to wrap it around. And then you're not gonna stop until it's secure, okay? Let me put it a little down. Okay. You're not gonna stop until it's secure. And you're gonna feel if it's secure, guys, okay? You're gonna know. Okay. So it is secure, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it back right here. All right. So now I'm gonna split the hair into 2 equal parts. And using your lid and using your ring finger to the back there to make sure you split it into 2 equal parts. And then you remove the gator clip, move away your clip, and then bring it in and place it right here. Secure it with your little pinky finger. And remember, as a beginner, you're preventing it from joining together. So now grab on, and you're gonna take the left strand into the right and the right into the left. And you started to braid. Make sure you cover, make sure you hide. Okay. Make sure you hide. Continue to braid and braid and braid and braid and braid and braid. So now I wanted my braid to be even, so I'm going to take a little bit from there. Okay, so guys, I did borrow, but you guys didn't see our borrow. You got to be like quick, like you're going to know when the hair is like balanced together, I must say. And just keep braiding and braiding and braiding and braiding. And guys, that's how easy it is, guys. So make sure you try, okay? Make sure you practice, guys, because practicing braid, it's gonna make you get perfect and you're gonna increase your speed, okay? After like 1 and 2 try and you keep braiding, guys, you will push to get your speed and you will develop your speed. Okay, I'm gonna show you a speed act in my next video so you can know. how to move fast. So here it is, guys. Here it is, guys. Our loop method, both of them is loop method, but they're different. They're different. This is the loop, and then the other one, you just take a little part of the hair and then you wrap it around. Okay, so go ahead, which one ever you happy with, guys, that is the one that you're gonna work with. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and my besties, I'll see you in my another video. Okay, so take it easy, be blessed, and thank you so much for watching. And your girl classic is out. Okay, so bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed.